How to hide Instagram chats without deleting messages. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you to hide Instagram chats without deleting messages. So do watch the video till the end, and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, let me make you aware that Instagram does not give you the option functionally to hide Instagram chats without deleting those messages. But here's the trick that will guide you to hide Instagram chats without deleting messages. So let's begin. First, launch the Instagram app on your device and go to the home screen first of all. Once you are here, you need to simply log into your account first. Then tap the profile icon at bottom right corner to access settings and activity. Scroll down and here you will see the option for professionals, and under that account type and tools. Tap on it, tap switch to professional account, and you need to follow all the steps one by one. Here you need to choose the category for your page and choose whether you are creating creator or business account. Here you need to set up your professional account and exit from here and close Instagram for a while. And after that, you need to reopen Instagram application. And then when you go to the dashboard or profile, you need to see the professional dashboard to check that you have created professional account. Now come back and go to the DM section at top right corner. And here you got the two section, that is primary and general. To hide any Instagram chats, you can easily swipe to the left in this way. But if you don't find that option in here, you can simply tap and hold and move to general section. Now that chat has been hidden from this primary section and moved to the general section. And in this way, we can hide Instagram chats without deleting messages. If you wish to get those messages back, you can go to general and then tap and hold those messages again and tap on move to primary. And then it will be again on hidden from the primary page. So that's all for today. Hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos.